So let's get right into the video. No jailbreaking, none of that bullshit, guys. Let's go, and I'm gonna show you guys how. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of the game Subway Surfers for iOS and Android. So as you can see, guys, I am not rich at all, but in the mod menu, I can get unlimited coins and keys. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins, and I'm going to turn on unlimited keys, and let's see if the coins and keys go up. So currently I've got 1,400 keys and 2,800 coins, so really bad, but let's see if it increases without running or doing any gameplay. So no, there's no change. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Subway Surfers hack for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So if you guys are broke, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this Subway Surfers mod. So the first step is going to be going onto the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So in this website, just type Subway Surfer, press install, and now we just have to do verification. So this is the last step. Basically what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just give it a second here for this to load. So it should be pretty fast. So yeah, Subway Surfers isn't really a game that you can hack, but I found the real mod on TweakMod, guys. Like, that website is crazy. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and download. And now we're going to be going to that last verification step where we just have to download 2 apps. So as you can see, missing files here. So you just have to download 2 of these. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. I could do that one. I could do this Travel Town where you got to reach level 9. It doesn't really matter, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of them and you're going to be all set. There's also a video here, but yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how to get 2025 Subway Surfers mod on tweakmod.com, guys. Super crazy. So I'll see you guys in another video and peace out.